Are you tired of digging through endless menus in Zoho Books to find a simple report? Run any report in under 30 seconds. I'll show you the exact path to find and run any report using profit and loss as an example. Let's start. Start by opening Zoho Books in your browser. Then, click on the Reports tab in the left sidebar. Now, click on All Reports to see the full list. Choose a report, like Profit and Loss, for example. Then, set the date range to month to date. Finally, click Run Report to generate it. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.